Quickie today. Kia Soul 2014 to 2019. So the kind of the facelift version of the original Kia Soul. Cabin air filter. The first pre-facelift one was in the same general area inside the glove box, but you had to pull the glove box out to get the cabin air filter out. As everybody's glove box is, this one's filled with COVID masks. Anyway, just above the COVID masks, you will see this thing. See, it says air filter. Grab, and you're going to pull the top down first. It pops out. It's a little... And then the feet on the bottom. So the feet on the bottom will go in first, and then you'll rotate it up and push it back in. And then behind here, you'll see these two little tabs. And you're going to squeeze and pull each one. Squeeze and pull one side, squeeze and pull the other. Made for tiny hands. Okay. So you see that? And then there's two tabs on the top. And see, those are the two little thingies you squeeze. This is like the handle, and you squeeze this part in to pull it off. It pulls off in this direction, like rotates up. And behind there you have the filter, which I just realized I have the wrong one in the garage for. I'd ordered it, but I ordered the wrong one. And it simply pulls out. I've cleaned this one out because I don't have a new one. It pulls out, and then the new one pushes back in. And it goes lengthwise. It's rectangular, so it's smaller this way, longer this way, and it goes in, just pushes straight in, and then tabs up, line it up with the bottom tabs, push in at top, and then push in at the bottom, and then it locks in place. And this one, the cover, bottom feet on first, rotate up into position. Oh, that one didn't pop in. The bottom foot didn't go in. There we go. And done. About a 3-minute. Kia and Hyundai have been wonderful at this with filters recently. They're if you've ever tried to change the air filter on a new Kia Soul or Kia Tucson or Kia or Hyundai Santa Fe, it's like a 20-second job if you're taking your time. So these are nicely made for doing it yourself. Anyway, like, subscribe, share. Thank you very much. Make a comment if you want. Tell me how stupid I am if you want. That's all good. Comments are good. Thank you.